What if attracting a woman wasn't about flashy moves, slick talk, or borrowed tactics, but about simply becoming the reliable man she already subconsciously seeks? In a world where women are driving, coding, building, and doing everything, one thing hasn't changed since the dawn of humanity. She still looks for a man she can count on. Research shows it isn't height, muscles, or money that matter most in the long run. Kindness, emotional intelligence, reliability, and shared values are what truly win. So here are the 5 traits you must build. Trait 1, emotional intelligence, able to understand your feelings and hers. Trait 2, integrity, you keep your word even when no one's watching. Trait stability, you hold your ground when storms hit. Trait 4, purpose, you're not just surviving. Trait 5, respect, you treat her as a partner, not a prize. Becoming that man doesn't require magic. It requires consistency, growth, and self-control. The moment you decide to embody those traits, you stop chasing attraction. Attraction starts to follow you. So today ask yourself, am I the man she can rely on? When the lights go out, when voices get loud, when the future looks uncertain? If the answer is no, start transforming now. Because a reliable man isn't found, he's forged. If you're ready to rise, type I build below. The blueprint to your growth begins now.